Thank you for joining me today. Today, we're restoring the mirror-like shine on this already gorgeous, highly customized 86 Pontiac Fiero GT with upgraded suspension in front and rear to the 88, and the power plant is a big upgrade with a 3.8 liter supercharged V6, most commonly known as the L32, taken out of the 05 Pontiac Grand Prix. Married to this absolutely stunning, gorgeous car. And yes, when he tows it to events, he has a hidden hitch right here behind the license plate. Nicely folds down. Incredible custom interior. You got to see this. This has, well, you see the carbon fiber there, but inside, what we have, besides the bell telling us the lights are on, is fully customized interior. Hand-built gauge clusters and center consoles and beautiful glove box. This car didn't even come with a glove box. He added the glove box, customized it to make it work. So when they're taking these long trips, like the one that's coming up here soon, this weekend this car is being driven all the way to Michigan to the Pontiac show. And I guess there's another one going with them on the way. And they'll be pulling a little trailer behind them, hauling the stuff they need to bring. This also has, I think it's important to mention, is a 08 Mazda Mazda, what kind of Mazda, Bruce?
Mazda RX-8.
Mazda RX-8.
Rack and pinion power steering.
Yeah. And so this is a good walk around. And stay tuned later. Oh, I did want to point out something that I'm going to take care of. I actually have been taking care of on this car. So if you listen, you can hear that. But listen to this. That's because I took care of it up there. Down here, still got to go some more. And you may have noticed at the start of the video, this has all LED lighting. He has converted all of the lights to LED. Underneath the mirror, there's a puddle light. There's LED lights in the mirror. LED lights everywhere on this car. It's completely modernized that way. And it goes really well. Stay tuned for more at Blind Man's Garage.